Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to check for software updates for your earbuds QCY MeloBuds Pro. You have to start by open QCY application. And of course your headphones should be turned on and connected to the phone, then the application open for you. Headphones menu, and you need to go to the settings at the middle top. Then you will find, maybe you need to scroll down, so you will see this menu. You need to scroll down and you need to find firmware update. Firmware is the same as software, so just tap at this line and check for updates, and it said that I have the latest software version. If you haven't, in this window you can update it. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.